Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you all are having a wonderful time out there. So, before we get started, let's have a quick round of introduction about my channel and myself. The name of my channel is CRM Knowledge Center. I have created this channel with the vision of sharing knowledge of Microsoft Dynamics CRM and the applications of Microsoft Dynamics ecosystem. The objective of this channel is to guide the people who aspire to have Microsoft Dynamics CRM as their career path, wherein they can use these videos and prosper themselves with the knowledge revolving around CRM. Also, through my videos, I would try to keep it crisp and clear so that it becomes very easy for everyone to understand the concepts in a very simple, straightforward language. Myself, Nikki Punjabi, and I am a Microsoft Dynamics CRM techno functional consultant wherein I have been with Microsoft Dynamics CRM product for more than 7 years now. With that being said, let's get started with today's content. Today's content is about Microsoft Dynamics Marketing application. We are going to talk everything about this application. In short, I would say we would explore about Dynamics marketing features and what wonders it can do for the organizations. So, let's see the agenda for today. So we are going to talk about what exactly is Microsoft Dynamics marketing. Then we'll discuss about the customer segmentation feature, customer journeys in Microsoft Dynamics marketing, marketing content, surveys. We'll talk about events and then about the triggers or the actions that can be defined in a specific journey. We'll see what is behavioral analysis, LinkedIn campaigns, schedulers. We'll explore about Microsoft Dynamics marketing feature of insights, then managing the social media handles. Eventually, we'll understand how this Microsoft Dynamics marketing application will benefit an organization. So, what is Microsoft Dynamics marketing? Now, Microsoft Dynamics marketing is a tool, or you can say it is an application which has very effective features and is having the capability to change the entire marketing experience for the organization with very minimal efforts and give and at the end give a wow experience to the customers on the end. Now it has the capabilities to set up automated workflows. It gives you the AI driven suggestions in the journey of the marketing. An end-to-end campaign can be managed in this application. Now it also has the capability of nurturing the opportunity effectively. Dynamics marketing has the feature of behavioral scoring, wherein we can score the customer or lead as per the rules we configure in the system. Now, it is a very flexible platform which is very easy to use for setting up the features in the system. It also has the data visualization tools which can be used to analyze the data and accordingly take necessary actions for effective marketing. It tracks the lead for the customer journey set up in the system. Webinar management is also a part of the capabilities of this system, wherein the events can be managed entirely in this application. Multi-channel campaigns can also be executed in this Dynamics marketing application. But the question still remains, why Microsoft Dynamics marketing? Now, in today's world, it is important that we let customers know about our products, about our services, so that they can use our products and use our services, and we can provide them the best of our services and guide them to get a suitable product as per their requirement. Hence, this is where marketing plays a vital role to let customers know about our products or services that we offer or the offers that are currently available. And in order to do effective marketing, a marketing automation tool is necessary. Dynamics marketing here is one of the most powerful tool that we have for taking care of the marketing processes. So let's see further how it helps us in effective marketing. The customer segmentation. Now we can create customer segmentation in the system, meaning we can create segments in the system on basis of our required conditions. Meaning if we want to execute a marketing event, then firstly we need to choose our target audience. This segmentation of customer is what helps us in knowing the set of customers whom we want to target. Now, this segmentation of customers can be created very easily in our Dynamics marketing. It's like just putting up your conditions, defining the segmentations of the customer. For example, if we want to consider only those customers who have onboarded with our company last week, then we can simply put the condition which filters out the data on basis where customer onboarding date is within last week. Similarly, let's say we want customers who have contacted us via any channel in last month. So we can use the filters wherein we define the query to look for customers whose last contact date is within last week. Similarly, we can create other segments also as per our business requirement. So what we understand is that we can define simple or complex conditions easily as per our business requirement. We can create any number of segments as per our business requirement. We will be having the capability to target the content to right set of people in right way. Eventually, this will help us in planning the campaigns effectively and efficiently and demonstrate a better knowledge of customers' needs and wants. Customer journeys. Now, in a specific marketing cycle, there has to be an entire customer journey defined for it. Meaning, we cannot say simply that we just send out a marketing email about a product to the customer, and now customer will contact us on its own. Or say to know more about the specifications or pricing around it, customer will contact us on its own, or the customer will research for more information about the product on its own and get in touch with us. This is an incomplete journey, right? So for every marketing activity, say event or emailing a customer journey is to be defined. And only then we'll be able to guide the customer. Customer himself will not be able to get all the information on its own. And hence we need to enable the customer to get all the information from us. Now, Dynamics marketing here provides you the feature to create simple and even complex journeys as per your requirement. Let me give you an example of a simple customer journey. We send a marketing email, and then after 2 days, we create a follow-up task and assign it to salesperson to contact the customer and check out if he's interested. Now, this is a pretty simple journey, right? In which we are just sending out an email and engaging a salesperson to follow up with the customer. Let me give you an example of a complex journey here. We send a marketing email to the customer. We check if customer has opened up email. If yes, then send him a second email giving more information about the product which has been marketed in the first email. And then create a follow-up task after 24 hours and assign it to salesperson to contact the customer and guide him further to choose the best product as per his requirement. Now, if the customer has not opened up the email, then we need to create a follow-up task and assign it to salesperson after 24 hours to contact the customer and guide him about the first marketing email sent. And once the follow-up task is completed, then send the second email which gives more detailed information about the product marketed in the first marketing email. In this fashion, we can create these journeys as per our business requirement. Now, all these journeys can be created by marketing user himself, meaning the user who has access to marketing application can create these journeys as it is a simple canvas on which drag and drop is to be done and the journey is to be defined. Microsoft's target and vision is to enable the Dynamics users itself to do all these activities from front end rather than engaging any developer to do any kind of coding in order to achieve the objective. Yes, initially some training will be required, but once the users are hands-on, then they will be able to create any kind of journey, let it be simple or complex. Marketing content. So now we understood how we can create customer journey. Let's talk about the marketing content we can use in the customer journey for marketing. Now we have marketing page and marketing form. What is marketing page? Now marketing page is basically a web page that includes a form. People can register for an offer. People can update the contact information. We can also manage mailing list subscriptions. However, Dynamics portal is mandatory to have for using this feature. Marketing form. What exactly is it? Now, marketing form is basically a set of input fields arranged into a form layout. We can build a small library of reusable forms We can use these on various marketing pages as needed. Every marketing form is made from a collection of fields, buttons, graphical elements, and a few configuration settings. Now we can use both marketing page and marketing form together, meaning we can embed the marketing form onto the marketing page and use it. Or else if we would want to use them individually, then we can write them solo too. Now, in this application, when we create marketing page or a marketing form, Microsoft provides sample formats of pages and forms which you can use. Or else, if you do not want to use them, you can simply skip them and you can create your own from the scratch. How cool is that now? Right? Surveys. So let's see what these surveys are. We can create surveys in the content and send out to the customer. Now, let's say marketing team in an organization wants to know the ratings of some product or service. So we can send out a survey to the customers, right? Or let's say we can combine this in the journey with the uh, with the event wherein first we send event to the customer, then we send a survey asking customer to vote if they are likely to come to the event or not. Such type of surveys can be set up in the application, which will enable us to make data-driven decisions for our marketing initiatives. Once the results are obtained from the surveys, again, we can do segmentation of the customers on basis of the result obtained from the surveys. Now, for this survey, we'll need to configure a separate app naming survey in order to use it with Microsoft Dynamics CRM or Microsoft Dynamics Marketing. Events. Let's see what this events feature is all about. Now we can create events wherein we can directly provide info to the customer that we have an event at this location, say 4 p.m. today. This entire event can be managed in this application, meaning starting from sending out the marketing email for event notification and then registration, the speaker engagement, the attendance of the registered attendees, booking of the rooms, buildings, everything. This entire event can be managed in Dynamics Marketing application. And then at the end of the event, we can analyze the budget invested and the outcome of this event or the revenue earned or if the defined goal is met or not. Also, it's pretty easy to use and design. It's again like drawing and designing on the canvas. So once you have designed this stuff, we can check if there is any kind of error in it. If any error, correct it, validate it successfully, and then go live with it and have it executed. Moreover, the system also gives you a dedicated dashboard for events so that in the dashboard itself, we get a gist of the events that have been conducted. Triggers or actions in the journeys. Now we can define triggers or actions. Let's say we want to create tasks for follow-up, or if something good or positive happens in the journey, then we can create a lead. As we spoke about the customer journey, wherein we can design the complex journey in the canvas, we can define the actions or triggers as per our requirement. This includes actions like creating a record or say creating a follow-up task, anything like that, or creating appointment or a phone call. In similar fashion, what we can do is that we can trigger the workflows too. Meaning, for example, let's say if we send out the first marketing email, okay, to the customer, and once the customer has read it, then we want a workflow to be triggered in the same journey. Okay, and in that workflow, we have defined that send an email to the customer asking to fill in some important information. Similarly, you can execute internal workflows which execute within the dynamic CRM system. Like say, once the lead is created in the customer journey, then execute a CRM workflow wherein this workflow has the condition defined as assign the lead to salesperson of a specific business unit. And once the lead is closed or qualified, then send an email notification to say business unit manager indicating the information about the lead closed or qualified. What we're trying to represent is that these triggers or actions, workflows can be defined within one single journey also. Now, these features help evolve the customer experience, CRM marketing user experience, salesperson experience, and also the higher management experience in getting the insights of these journeys. What exactly is lead scoring here? We can configure the scoring model in Dynamics marketing application, and accordingly, as per our rules, we can score the lead or customer whomsoever we want to target. So using this scoring model, we can get the demographics and other information of the record we are targeting to say lead or contact or account. Now, for example, in these rules of the scoring model, we can define the rule as say on basis of email clicks or website visits, registration, etc. For example, let's say if we set up a model which has a rule that if a lead opens up an email, then increase 5 points. And then if the lead registers for the event, then add 10 points. And then at the end, we'll be able to get a scoring value for this lead as say 15. With these scoring values, we can say that this lead is a sales ready lead now. And we can engage the salesperson to approach this lead and pitch further for our product. So in this fashion, we can add or subtract the points on basis of the interaction that we want to define in our model. We can create our own model for our organization as per our set of rules. LinkedIn campaign. Let's talk about one of the amazing feature that is LinkedIn campaigns. We can create a LinkedIn campaign, send emails on LinkedIn. However, that would probably need a separate license here. As we spoke about the actions or triggers that can be executed in the journey, Dynamics Marketing also provides you a feature of executing a LinkedIn campaign within a journey. Meaning, if you want to execute a LinkedIn campaign within a journey, uh, like sending LinkedIn emails to the customers, then we can use this feature and execute the LinkedIn campaign. Nowadays, we see that on LinkedIn, we get emails from LinkedIn users asking to use the LinkedIn premium services and giving detailed information about the LinkedIn premium services. So those messages are automated email messages which are executed in a specific journey that LinkedIn creates to encourage their customer to go for the premium services. In this Dynamics marketing, we can also import the leads from LinkedIn to our application so that we can then use them for our marketing initiatives. I personally believe that this is an awesome feature here that this tool offers, which is LinkedIn marketing, which is LinkedIn campaign, right? Schedulers. Now, the feature of schedulers can be used in the customer journey, wherein on basis of your requirement, you can schedule the action or trigger on basis of the historical data collected by the system in the customer journey, and accordingly, you can schedule an action. For example, if customer has opened up the first marketing email, and then on basis of the data collected in CRM, you can define a trigger that send another email which will give more insights about the product marketed in the first marketing email. This scheduling feature applies artificial intelligence to identify the days and times when each contact is most likely to be actively reading their email. It provides heat map graphs and detailed email interaction results for the contact. Some of the important factors that it displays is email open times, best time to email, email reaction time. Insights. Now, this insights is also one of the best feature that we have, wherein we can see the insights of the customer journey, meaning we can see the analytics of the emails delivered or say responses received over time. Normally, what I've observed is that usually people use their marketing tool and integrate it with other third-party applications to get the insights. I've also seen the traditional method being used still, wherein organizations execute the email blast or SMS blast, and then they get data from their carrier or vendors in Excel format, and on basis of that data received in Excel, they design their insights and create analytics using this Excel data. However, Dynamics Marketing over here provides this feature of insights embedded in it. These insights can be viewed directly in the customer journey section itself. This means that you don't need to log into any other application. Within CRM itself, we can get insights against each and every customer journey or say customer. Some important parameters which can be viewed are email delivery results, email responses over time, page interactions over time. Now, the insights that we can get in the system are specifically like contact insights, account insights, lead insights, segments insights, customer journey insights, email insights, marketing page insights, marketing form insights, website insights, redirect URL insights. So, almost for every entity, we can get the insights over here in our Dynamics marketing application. Social media platform management. Let's talk about the management of the social media handles that we have. Now, when we say marketing in this digital world, social media plays a very vital role because everyone is super active on the social media. So, if we talk about the lockdown period of this pandemic, the social media helped us kill a lot of time where people, if they had free time, we used to scroll and scroll on Facebook and keep scrolling, and on those social media platform we used to keep scrolling until at the end, by some or other reason, somebody or something pulls us out of it. However, if we look to it other way, we can understand how important it is to market on the social media platforms. So Dynamics marketing here provides this great feature of handling the social media handles via Dynamics marketing application, meaning we can have the social media platform of the organization configured in this application, and then we can post comment via Dynamics marketing application itself rather than logging in the social media platform. So the user who takes care of handling the social media can directly access Dynamics marketing application and can manage the social media handles effortlessly. Now, this application also enables the users with the feature of scheduling posts on the social media platforms. The user can design the content to be marketed on social media platform, and then the user himself can define a specific day and time when he or she wants the content to be posted automatically. Here, Dynamics marketing users can gain the insights directly from CRM rather than using any other social media platform to get insights of a specific post, like to understand how many likes we received, how many views were obtained on that specific post. So all that can be done within this one whole and soul application of Dynamics marketing itself. Now the question comes is how this marketing application, that is Dynamics marketing application, will benefit. So, with this detailed synopsis about the capabilities of Dynamics marketing, we can understand that we have this powerful tool, or you can say module of Microsoft Dynamics marketing available in our Dynamics ecosystem, which enables us to build customer journeys, simple and complex, both seamlessly, and eventually ensure that customer on the other side gets a wow experience. We can use these simple and complex journeys to nurture the lead and make it a warm lead so that it helps the sales team to acquire the lead. Whereas we in our organization will be able to nurture the lead or customer, and this in turn will play a vital role in the sales process, and it will help our sales team to overachieve their goals. Now, this Dynamics marketing application also enables us to automate the entire marketing process, and it also gives us power to drastically improve the ability to engage with the prospects end to end in their journey. This tool also gives us the capability to get the analytics at tip. Also, it enables us to manage the campaigns effectively and efficiently using the capability of segmentation, wherein we can execute our campaigns by targeting the correct set of audience. So that was all about Microsoft Dynamics marketing and its features, which makes it one of the most powerful tools available in the market today. So that's all for today. With this, we come to the final stage of our today's video. Thank you all for your time. I hope I was able to cascade the information in a crystal clear manner. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, most importantly, share the video so that the people who are looking out to aspire to grow with Microsoft Dynamics, he or she should be able to benefit the most out of it. Wish you all a good day ahead. Have a great day, guys.